Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today is all about sound deadening a Mercedes E-Class. The client has traveled around about 4 hours over to us for our expertise on this one, and we have so much to show you. We're going to be taking out the vehicle and measuring what ambient road noise we have in the vehicle currently, because that is what our client is complaining about. And then we're going to document the entire process of sound deadening it, and then we're going to show you the after measurements as well, so you guys can see before and after of how much of a difference this sort of solution makes for the vehicle. The client's owned the vehicle for a couple of years now, unhappy with it, wanting to get it exactly right for him, and that is why it has landed with us here at Cambridge Car Audio. My name's Ardil, and today you've even got me on the tools, so sit back, relax and enjoy. So guys, that is the test drive complete. The E-Class has got quite a bit of noise. It's not as bad as some of the other cars that we've done in the past, but still something that we need to get resolved for our clients. So let's jump into the install. Let's get it stripped, inspect it, scan it. So much to go through in today's video, but let's jump in to the rest of it.
Welcome back, guys. We have now finished sound deadening the whole car with the Skinz 3mm. Next step is now to move on and start laying in our Skinz Ultimat. We don't know how many sheets we're going to use at the minute because it's kind of a hit or miss situation with how the client wants it. So what we're doing is we're focusing on the floor, and then we're going to speak to the client, see if he would fancy any more sheets, and if so, where he would like them located. What this is going to do is just going to add that extra bit of sound deadening, as the Skinz 3mm. It just deadens down a lot of our like micro vibrations and so forth, and then that Ultimat is just going to deaden all of it nicely, and it's a nice squishy material, so putting our panels on and everything, it compresses nicely, meaning it will just sound deaden that little bit better. So next step is now to move on, get that all laid in. So yeah, catch me doing that. So we've now got round to finishing putting all of the Ultimat into the car. I believe we got around something, what is it, 18 sheets in? So that's quite a lot, to be fair. We've covered all of the front floor area, both sides, and then just over the centre console a little bit, and these back bits where like this, your feet would come down if you're sitting in the rear. That's because it's sort of a thin layer of metal, so it has a lot of vibrations and a lot of noises that we don't really like and not too keen on. So that's going to keep them nice and quiet and deaden it all out. Next step is now to just go over everything, make sure I'm definitely happy with it all. And once I've done that, I'm going to start just putting the car back together and getting her ready for the client. So let's get cracking with putting stuff back in.
So the engineers have just finished with this project. What we're going to do now is jump in the car and take it for a quick drive. Let's have a listen. My word, what a difference. As you would have just heard, the difference is night and day. With the sound deadening that's gone into here, remember we've got 88 sheets of the Skinz and the 26 sheets of the Ultimat. It makes a huge, huge difference in the car. Just the overall kind of driving experience, the road noise is completely gone. It's a massive difference from what was there before. These cars, as luxurious as they are and they look beautiful on the road, if you own one, you know the experience of driving them just doesn't live up to how the car looks and how it feels to drive. But now it does. The silence is beautiful and you can actually enjoy driving this car on a long distance and what it's actually designed to be able to be done. So how have we achieved that? Now that takes a lot of time and care to do, but the guys have done an amazing job on this car. So obviously starting at the front, we've got all the sound deadening in the arches. So front and rear, just to help reduce the tire roar, road noise that you're getting from there. Obviously they're quite big tires in this car, so it makes a massive difference when you do that. The noise from stones coming up and chipping across the inside really helps reduce that and dampen that noise. Now, here's where the party really happens, in the cabin. So this car's had full sound deadening on the inside, floor, doors, everything you can imagine, it has been sound deadened. Now, the key areas in mostly any vehicle, but especially on these E-classes, is the doors. You get so many vibrations, small little rattles that come through from the door. So making sure we got those areas are really, really important. And of course, it's not just applying the sheets, it's the care when you're actually putting it all back together, tightening up all the screws, tightening up all the bolts, cloth taping everything that needs to be, just making sure that we can have the ultimate experience for our client. Now, moving towards the rear of the vehicle, the rear kind of 3 quarters in this vehicle are really, really criminal for road noise. Really loud, you get a lot of vibrations, a lot of ambient noise coming through that area. So providing the sounding in that area, again, really helps reduce the road noise, make it a more pleasurable experience. And as well in the rear arches, we again have the same sound deadening. And of course, this being the coupe, the area in the boot is a large expanse of volume for noise to resonate and really, really bug you on a long drive. And making sure we had all the sound in there was really, really important. So as you would have just seen on the drive, the decibel difference was going from kind of around the 70 decibel mark down to around the low 60. So a really, really nice difference and something that our client will definitely notice. Now, the decibel is one way to measure the sound difference in a car before and after sound deadening, but is also just experience it in real life. And that's something that I'm not sure we can get across on video, but feeling it in real life is amazing. The rattles, the resonations, the squeaks that were in there before are all completely gone. It makes it a really, really luxurious experience. Makes it feel like the S-Class that it does kind of look like as well. But with the sound deadening now complete, our client who lives about 4 hours away from us, we can now enjoy a drive back and actually enjoy having the car to do what it's supposed to do. Do the long trips, do the everyday driving, but do it in comfort and silence. Now, as well as making the driving experience even better with the sound deadening, part of the experience at Cambridge Cardio is just to make the car as perfect as it can be. And so that, for this client, involved doing level 4 detailing on the vehicle. So multi-stage correction, multi-stage paints, getting this car looking as beautiful as it is. If you own a black car, you know the nightmare of trying to keep it clean, but now the car as well has been ceramic coated, giving you that extra protection on your paint, but also making it way easier to keep clean and maintain. So now this car is ready for its client to see and pick up. I'm sure he's going to be over the moon with the results, not just visually, but also as soon as he takes it home. I suppose as soon as he gets it on the road, he will love the sound distance that we've got in there. So if you have enjoyed today's video on this lovely E400D, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see future content like this in terms of sound deadening, but also our bespoke sound system installations that you know and love. Now, thank you for watching and feel free to like the video. I'll see you in the next one.